Hey there, amazing people! Welcome to today's review video, where we're going to talk about the game-changing 16A EWelink Wi-Fi Switch Mini Smart 2-Way DIY Switches Circuit Breaker Timer Module. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest product reviews and recommendations. Now, let's get into why this smart switch is an absolute must-have for your home. First off, this bad boy comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control the switch from anywhere using your smartphone. That's right, you can turn your ordinary non-smart appliances into smart ones with just a tap on your phone. But it doesn't stop there. This switch is a two-way switch, meaning it can control two separate circuits, making it versatile and useful for a variety of applications. And the best part? It's compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings, so you can control it with your voice or through your smartphone. But wait, there's more. The switch is ready to go right out of the box, so you can start using it right away without any complicated setup or installation. And with the EWelink mobile app, you can control the switch, set timers, create schedules, and even group multiple switches for unified control. Plus, it's super secure with the option to share access with family members while retaining full control over functions and settings. And did I mention it's a certified product with CE and RoHS certification? In terms of specifications, this mini smart switch supports a maximum current of 16A and is compatible with AC 100-240V 50/60 Hz. And the best part? It works with Alexa, Google Assistant, Yandex Alice, and SmartThings, giving you the ultimate smart home experience. So, if you're ready to take your home to the next level with smart technology, make sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on the 16A EWelink Wi-Fi Switch Mini Smart 2-Way DIY Switches Circuit Breaker Timer Module. Trust me, once you go smart, you'll never look back.